Writing an introduction for a research paper is an essential skill that sets the tone and establishes the framework for your study. It invites the reader into the world you are exploring and provides the necessary context for your research. This documentary delves into the key elements and best practices for crafting a compelling introduction. I'm Professor Dux, developed by Faculty of AI and Informatics, Near East University. The purpose of an introduction is to lay the groundwork for your research paper. It acts as a roadmap, helping the reader understand the context and significance of the research you conducted. An effectively crafted introduction can guide the audience through the complexities of your study with clarity and relevance. A good introduction consists of several key parts, each serving a unique purpose. The first element is the hook, an engaging sentence or question designed to capture the reader's interest right from the start. This sets the stage for the rest of your introduction, inviting your audience to explore your research further. Once you have captured the reader's attention, it's essential to provide some background information. This segment offers a brief overview of the topic and includes what is already known within your research area. By doing so, it sets the context and demonstrates your familiarity with the field. The problem statement is a critical component of the introduction. This element clearly outlines the issue or gap that your research aims to address. By identifying a specific problem, you establish the need for your study and pave the way for presenting your research objectives. Stating the research objective is fundamental to any introduction. Here, you clarify the main goal or focus of your study, explaining precisely what your research intends to achieve. This section not only informs the reader of your aims but also highlights the scope of your investigation. Explaining the importance of your study is imperative for conveying its relevance. This part of the introduction addresses why the research matters and who stands to benefit from its findings. By illustrating the impact, you can emphasize the contribution your work makes to the field. Discuss what the paper will focus on to provide a clearer picture of the study's intent. This involves laying out the core aspects of your paper without delving too deeply into specifics. It prepares the reader for what they can expect in the subsequent sections, ensuring a cohesive narrative. Crafting a strong introduction involves maintaining clarity and focus throughout. Avoid going into elaborate details about results or methods at this stage. These elements have their designated places in the later sections of your paper. Keeping the introduction concise and to the point is crucial. Typically, an introduction should be succinct, occupying just 1 to 2 paragraphs. Brevity helps maintain the reader's interest without overwhelming them with information. It's crucial to strike a balance between providing enough detail and keeping the narrative engaging and accessible. One optional but effective tip for writing an introduction is to compose it after completing the main body of your paper.